Westbound and down, four wheels are rolling. We're headed to a place we've been once before. But this time we don't have a boat. Nope. We're gonna do some wade fishing. That does not mean we're going out with a guy named Wade. Don't even know him. Here's a nice fella. But the deal is, we are taking some back roads in northwest Indiana, and we are looking for a creek. We're gonna find a spot to drop in, and we're gonna wade fish the creek. So come along on this little adventure. We're gonna see if we can get some big smallies in a small creek. Oh yeah, here we go. This is what it is today. Walking down a county road, getting back to the roots a little bit. It's kind of nice. We parked the truck down over here about just a quarter mile ago. Just about stepped on a dead something on the road as I was busy doing this. But we fashioned an underwater camera out of a broken rod from yesterday. Pretty sweet. So we'll see you guys in the creek after about a mile walk here. Guys, I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but in that water right there is about a 16-inch smallmouth. This little creek. There's a big redfin sucker. There's a bunch of chub minnows, and there's some smaller smallmouth. If you look further up here to the right, you can see that there's a bunch of beds, and there are a whole bunch of either sunfish. I think there's sunfish or warmouth on the beds up there. On the other side of the creek over here, on the other side of the bridge, there's a whole bunch more. There's a couple beds right there too, with bluegills sitting in. They look like some decent gills. I'm anxious to get in here and try to catch one of these smallies. There. On an adventure. Look out for the gators. I see a really nice bass right down there in the water. Looks like a place for an animal to take sanctuary down here. Yeah. These swallows are not going to like us much down here. They're going to get dive bombed. They will not think that we're their friends. There's a lot of them. A very, very lot of them. Let's see if we can do this without falling in the mud. Holy swallows, Batman. Yeah, there's a lot of swallow nests up under here. They are not our friends. Although they're friendly. They just don't want us here, I bet. There he is. Watch out. Coming at you. He's not hooked very well.
pretty little smallmouth. Right back over to his little spot there. Got fish on. Look at this little feller. He's pretty. Can anybody tell me the species of this fish? I know what it is. I'll give you a hint. It's a type of sunfish. It's a certain color. Look at all those pretty little blue bars. That big old mouth. That's what gives it away. There's only one sunfish I remember that's got a big old set of chomps like that guy does. Very pretty and colorful. See you, buddy? Anybody tell me what kind of tree that is right there? Nice pretty flowers. That's a catawba tree. Oh, there's a little fish on there. Look at that little feller. Well, yeah. Little creek chub. Hello, Mr. Chub Chub. Pretty little feller. We have a lot of these try to eat it. This one is just a little more aggressive than some. Now, if you guys want a really good bait, you can't use that one because I dropped it, but if you want a really good bait for catfish, take those things right there and cut them in thirds. Throw them out on the bottom. Get old Mr. Whiskers. Come down the creek with just little worms, bobber, fish by the bridges. Catch you all kinds of those little chubs. They like to hang out around those bridges. All these little deep holes, the channel swings, little back eddies. Any place you'd find a smallmouth hanging out in these creeks. And these little deeper holes here and there, and everywhere. See, the only downside about walking with the current is you're bringing all the silt with you. Much better to walk upstream. So we wanted to have the sun at our back for filming, and we wanted to walk with the current so that the baits, they tend to work a little bit better when they're going with the current, especially if we were throwing like a rooster tail, which I like to throw a white rooster tail doing this too. And yeah, that's why we're walking with the silt. It's usually counterproductive, and we're not going to catch as much because of it, I know it. But that's what we need to do for this, and it's still a really fun time. And then some nice ripples here, some shallow rocks. There should be a little deeper section at the back of this. Oh boy, now I got him a sunfish. If it was a lake, yeah. Oh, you got him pinned. Oh, something hit on the top. Ooh, you got it. come back for it, that little dirty devil. Look at that little small jaws. This is one of the best stretches in this creek, if I remember right. We're getting it all silted up. There's one. Oh boy, another floppy. These are chunky little fish. Speckle, come here. Sit on that. Stop that. There you go. Oh, well, we got another one. That's pretty. Oh, there's another fish. Oh, lost him. That's a pretty little. Oh, we alluded to it before. That is a green sunfish. They got a big mouth. They got that little orange margin on the back of their ear. Can anybody tell me what their little ear flap is called? It starts with an O. We'll talk about that later. See who gets it right. No, not exactly. Moss monsters. That does look like a little crawdad, doesn't it? Oh, Alan is the bluegill king. The king of the sunfish. Let's had one hit this again. Oh, he's trying to get it. He's still trying. Come on. Guys, if you can't come out here and have fun fishing in a creek like this, then you're probably just too much of a stick in the mud. Pretty little creek. Nice little back eddy up here. There gotta be some smallies laying in it. Little minnows chasing it. Oh, this is sketchy. Yeah, we're trying to get around this log jam. This ought to be fun. And by fun, I mean painful. And by painful, I mean ouch. Yep, pretty much. Yeah, it pretty much sucks. Sticks. Careful. Yeah, boy. Wasn't there a show you used to like watching called Adventure Time? I ain't got nothing on this. Ooh, that mud's deep. That mud's deep. That mud's about mid-knee. I was expecting it to be a little more firm than that. see how you like it. It's pretty saucy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm telling you. Be careful.
Recording.
Yep. Oh, Alan hooked up. He got him a largemouth. No, that's a smallmouth. I'm just kidding. He just puked up a orange crawdad claw. What you got there, Al? Yeah, boy. Nice. I like that baseball shirt. I think maybe we need to do a video on baseball pretty soon. Yeah, you got all kinds of little speckles. There's another big one up there. Bigger than that one. Here it comes. Ah, they're getting the light and they quit chasing it. They don't like the light, they want to be the creatures of the night. Oh, this will get them. That's a good spot right there. Ooh, smoked it. Smoked, that's a good one. Oh yeah, boys. That's a big smallie right there for a creek. Oh my goodness. That might be a largemouth. That's a largemouth. Are you kidding me? No, I'm kidding you because that's a smallmouth. Wow, look at that big papa. He's a naughty one. Look at that. Nice big old tummy. Reminds me of myself. Somebody's been chewing on his fin back here. Yeah.
Does it get any better than that? I mean, wow. Wait, I can't show you. This is Coca-Cola or Pepsi or something in a can. Yeah. Midday update. We have been doing really good out here on the creek. Catching a lot of fish. No giant piggies yet. We scared a deer. We've had smallmouth, rock bass, green sunfish, creek chubs. Yeah, I've probably caught, I don't know, 15 or 20 fish. Alan's had close to 10. And the water's nice and cool. The air's nice and hot. But as you can see, we've got some nice shade in these trees. It's really comfortable. So we're just stopping for kind of our midday break and have a little refreshment.
Oh, big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Goodness. I might get big there. Oh my goodness. Holy cow.
Kneel down, Brian.
Yeah.
Don't reel no more, just pull him to you. That's a big smallie for a creek.
Opa!
Opa! Another small dog.
Oh, there you got it. There, little sucker. Look at that guy. Pretty one. All the stripes on there. Look at that. Oh, colors. Oh, nice.
Hey gang, thanks for joining us again on another adventure with Enlightened Outdoors. We had a great time today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the show. We walked about a mile of creek up here in northwest Indiana. We had some really friendly cattle come along. There was a very large bull that was a little concerning for us. We're not cattlemen, but we safely made our way past and shared the creek with them and their cow patties. That was a little bit interesting. You had to watch where you stepped on the creek bank. And cleaning up back here at the truck afterwards and trying to get everything washed off. It was just, it was an interesting day. We got the old Thunder Wagon a little bit dusty, running the dirt roads back here. And we had to, the way we did this is we parked here and then we walked about a mile and a quarter, a mile and a half that way and dropped in and just walked the creek all the way back. You guys have seen all the fish catches. Well, not all of them because there's not enough time in the video for that. We didn't want to bore you with every little green sunfish we caught or every lake chub sucker we caught or whatever it happened to be. Well, another day is complete. The sun is setting and we are feeling fulfilled. It's been a kind of a long afternoon, but it's been very enjoyable. About 2 o'clock we went out, started our creek fishing adventure that you've been watching, and we got back to the truck at about 8:30 to get cleaned up to head home. So now we've got a little bit of a drive ahead of us, a little windshield time. So we just want to take this time to thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you feel inclined, please like and subscribe to our channel, and you'll get updates every time we do one of these videos. But it was a